Ever wondered how things are really made? From the everyday to the extraordinary, we reveal the hidden world of mass production. The workers' uniforms should be blue with a red VT stamp on them. The truck should be blue in color and have a red VT stamp on it.
Watch out, another batch coming.
Got it, move these quickly.
Second wash. The aloe vera leaves entering a sanitizing mist tunnel filled with a fine, food-grade sanitizing spray.
This one needs a bit more scrubbing on the edge.
Yes, adjust the pressure slightly on the left side.
The calibration on the ejector seems off.
Yes, that one shouldn't have gone to waste.
The workers' uniforms should be blue with a red VT stamp on them.
Almost at the fill line. Looks good. Agreed. The viscosity is perfect.
The flow rate looks good on this batch. We've removed all the fibrous particles.
Noted. The viscosity is optimal.
Gauge is perfectly stable at 50 psi.
Okay, logging the reading now.
Check the pressure on intake valve 3. It seems low.
Yeah, I see it. Adjusting the flow now.
The sensor reading for AL2409 seems high.
Yeah, it's within the stabilization parameters. Monitor it for the next hour.
The flow rate to the exchanger looks stable now.
Yes, the pasteurization cycle is running smoothly.
Check the pressure on gauge 3. It's running high.
Noted. I'll log the current reading now.
It's steady at 25.
Okay, noted.
It's steady at 25.
Okay, noted.
Check the viscosity on gauge 4. Looks good. Holding steady at 2500 CPs.
The data on the tablet shows the current flow rate.
Check the gauge on the main pipe. It reads differently.
Okay, that explains the pressure drop.
We are set for the afternoon run.
Yes, the tank levels look good.
This data point is outside the acceptable range.
I see that. I'll rerun the assay on the new sample now.
It's stabilizing right at 248.
Perfect. Within tolerance. I'll log that for the VT report.
The sample appears consistent with the control.
Yes, the color grading matches perfectly.
The scan rate looks good here.
Increasing the magnification near the weld point.
Clear. No particulates detected.
Control reports confirm successful quality check on line 3.
Noted. All parameters are green.
Keep an eye on the torque settings for the next batch. We're seeing some variation on the left arm.
Got it. I'll recalibrate now.
Check the fill levels on the monitor. The last batch was slightly off.
I see it. Adjusting the calibration now.
We need exactly 200 liters on this batch. Understood. Bring the hose over. We're starting with the top row.
Check the fuel level on the next batch.
Looks good. Moving to sealing. The flow rate on the chute seems high.
It's within tolerance, but keep an eye on the VT levels.
The sensor alignment seems slightly off on layer 3.
Yeah, let me check the calibration logs on the tablet.
We can fit another layer right here.
Looks good. Keep them tight.
Keep them tight.
Copy that. Moving the next pallet now.
All right, it's open.
Okay, let's start unloading.
All right, easy now. Looks like we have alignment.
Locked in. Good job, team.
Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more system deep dives.